An important chapter in the space race comes to a close tomorrow. Actually quite sad for many people, I think. It's the very last launch of the American Space Shuttle. You may have heard it being talked about earlier on.
And I remember the first one. I was at junior school. It was Columbia, wasn't it? It's one of those things that sticks in your head.
Once you've seen it,
yeah. Atlantis is the one which will bring to an end 30 years of the reusable spacecraft project.
Yeah, and one lucky person who's there is the Portsmouth student Mitu Kandeka. Now, she won a competition run by NASA to meet the Atlantis crew and actually watch the launch from quite close up. A short time ago, I spoke to her at the Kennedy Space Centre via the internet and found out what it was like to be there. I've been following you on Twitter and you seem very excited to be there. To sum up your emotions on this day and what it's been like?
Exuberant. I'm so I can't even believe that I'm here. I keep thinking I'm dreaming. I keep thinking I'm going to wake up and still be at home. But no, this is absolutely amazing.
What's it been like to meet the astronauts?
Well, so far I've met astronaut Doug Wheeler, which was absolutely amazing. He's such a nice guy, and it was just the coolest thing to meet someone who spent 6 months living on the International Space Station.
I mean, this is the last space shuttle mission. I mean, the last launch. What's the atmosphere like there? Do you get that sense that it's quite emotional?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, this is emotional anyway, because it's a dream come true for all of the people who've come here to see the launch, and yeah, there's an atmosphere of certainly sadness, but also of hope, because NASA are very keen to carry on into the future.
What's the one thing that you've heard today that you would pick out and tell everybody else about?
Oh gosh, there's so many things. I mean, we're situated right outside the infamous countdown plant in Kennedy. So just sort of seeing that for the first time and being so close to it was amazing. But also hearing astronaut Doug Wheeler describe what it's like to see Earth from the space station, how just beautiful it is.
Me too. It's great to talk to you, and we will follow you on Twitter. Thanks for joining us from Florida.
Thanks so much, Sally.
She was so excited by being there. She really is. If you want to be, Mitu, she just said, has been taking part in a tweet up after meeting up with the astronauts. If you want to follow her, you can on Twitter with her username @Me2K. Simple as that. Okay, worth it, because they could well go off tomorrow. I think actually the news channel are going to be covering this tomorrow, the actual launch itself, weather permitting. And Mitu is saying to me earlier this afternoon that actually thundery, lightning,
showers,
big storms,
heavy showers,
it might get delayed.
35 Celsius out there, so pretty humid as well, triggering the thunderstorms.